Hey lovely! Welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. I made this wedding invitation with AI, but it's just a flat image. Let me show you how to make any image editable. Select the image, click Edit, go to Magic Studio, and choose Magic Layers. Give it a second. Canva does all the work for you. Now you can edit everything separately. Now I can change everything and create a new wedding invitation. This is where it gets fun. I just moved a few things around, and it already looks like a completely different design. From one flat image to a design you can change however you want. That's Magic Layers. You can find the link to the free template I created in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more templates and quick tutorials. See you next time.